Hi, Dada.
It's a Tuesday morning.
Hey.
And somebody's buzzing all around on the floor. Don't step on baby. Take your foot off her. Gav. Say hi.
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 Mama.
What, buddy? What's up for baby?
Next to me.
Hi, Diggy. Oh, look it. There's Mama.
Hi.
Hi. Look,
Hi.
everybody's standing there. Call Dicky.
Iggy. Come here. Iggy, come. Iggy.
Hi, everybody. Oh, here. We'll do it on the side.
Yeah. Hi, baby. Chocolate baby.
Okay.
Chocolate should hit his head.
Cheese.
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 You gonna go see Coach Pam today?
Yeah.
What are you doing at Coach Pam?
We got the boom.
You gonna kick the ball?
It's a boom.
All right, bud. Sounds good. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.